I take quick 4 steps and finish my turns in front of my partner. At the end, connect the feet.
Gentlemen, we take 4 steps in a circle in a hug. During the third step, I put my left hand out to the left side so that my partner can grab my hand. When my partner turns to my left side, I keep taking a basic step, the first one to the left, the second to the right. When my partner turns, I take a basic step in a line. At this point I do not turn. When my partner makes 2 quick turns, I step on my left leg and connect my feet. During fast turns, I cannot take steps all the time because I will disturb my partner and we may end up in a different place than partner. Let's do it again. 4 steps in a circle, 2 linear steps while she is turning to the left, now 2 quick turn, I step on my left leg and bring my feet together.
My feet are together, my right leg is free and ready for the next step. My right hand holds my partner's left arm. I grab the dress with my left hand if I can, and now we will dance the Viennese waltz.
We stand with our backs to you so that you can see the steps better. We take the same steps so you learn together. We start with the right leg forward, the left one takes a very small step to the side and connect the right leg to the left. Now the left one back, the right one a small step to the side and connect the feet. The Viennese waltz is fast, so I do not put my heel on the dance floor during the second step,